Hey YouTubers, just got an update on another holster. It's completed. It's for a Glock 27. It's a coyote on the front with a black on the back. Just wanted to show you the level of detail that goes into this. The smooth like glass polished edges that I get on it. Excellent definition. Angle the sides of the belt loops so the holster fits snug against your side. That's what she looks like inside of it. That's for a 27, but 26 will fit in there, same. You can make it any way you want. This particular customer wanted a low sweat shield. I can make it come up around. Those are the couple options. You can have a cant to it like this one has, or it can be straight in the holster. Just depends on what you want. You can always check out my website as listed below, keyscustomholsters.com, and let me know what you think. Leave your comments. Please be nice, and you can place your order online too. Thanks a lot. See you.